Hey, it's Matt Catling here. A quick video about our upcoming event this weekend, Create Your Future Now. Now, as some of you know, we've shifted it from being a live event to a virtual workshop. So hopefully more of you can attend because this event I think is really, really important. This is a brand new Create Your Future Now with brand new content. And the content I want to share with you is around mindset, around how do you shift your mind right now from being anxious or being stuck in fear, or maybe some past wounds are triggering at the moment. Because the challenge with that is that if you're stuck in a wound or if you're stuck in anxiety, you will be paralyzed. Now, the leaders that really kind of use crises as opportunities are the ones that tap into a higher level of creativity. And this is what I want to share with you. The key right now is to move through any of the stuff that is coming up as fast as you possibly can, to be able to tap into a new level of creativity, to build a new vision, and to really shine a light in the darkness for other people. And that's what this event is going to be able to help you do. I want to help you be able to create your future now and set you up for the next 5 years, because I think there is an enormous opportunity. You see, what we're going through is what I call a mass extinction at the moment. And the mass extinction is kind of happening in the business world, where businesses that haven't embraced the new world, haven't embraced technology, leaders that haven't reinvented themselves and tapped into new levels of creativity are simply being left behind, or if you use that metaphor, extinct. Even the Australian government has said that there is going to be over 250,000 businesses that will probably collapse over this crisis. So this Create Your Future Now event, I'm going to share with you some tools to be able to shift anxiety very, very quickly that you can use on yourself and other people. I'm going to give you some tools to be able to think big, to be able to turn this crisis into an opportunity. I'm going to help leaders, parents, coaches, change makers, entrepreneurs create an incredible vision, but most importantly, build the certainty around that. In times of crisis, people need certainty. People that are uncertain gravitate to certainty. Not only this, I'm going to share with you the new way of doing business, how virtual is going to be the new currency, and how you can really set things up right now to be able to create maybe a part-time income or a side hustle, as we call it, or to be able to transition out of that job that is really uncertain these days, and really start to take a leadership position and navigate and create your future. And the key about it is that it's the things that you have to do right now. As a bonus, also, I'm bringing in my tribe of experts. One in particular, my mum, who is a leading herbalist naturopath, who has been an operating theatre sister working with the top doctors in this country, and her thoughts on boosting immunity with herbal medicine, with foods to be able to support you and increase your energy levels, but also being able to support the health of your family. I'm going to bring in one of my spiritual mentors, Michael Adamides, and he's going to talk about the new era of the spiritual paradigm that is shifting at the moment, and what we can do collectively to be able to embrace this new world, but most importantly, to be able to share and serve. He's also going to be taking you through some breathing exercises to release stress, anxiety, and increase your energy. Also, we're going to have our resident expert, Miranda. She's going to come along and teach you about relationships at the moment. In times of crisis, wounds can come up. And so she's going to share with you some great techniques how to resolve any conflicts that could be happening in relationships at the moment, how to attract new relationships or even a soulmate from your lounge chair. We're going to be looking at a crisis plan for you. There is so much more information and activities that we're going to share with you on this incredible event. So it's this Saturday. It's 9:30 a.m. We're going to send you a manual. And what I'd say to you is book out 3 to 4 hours. Make sure you're in a comfy place. Grab a tea or a coffee and be present, because this information that we're going to share with you from myself and my tribe of experts could be the information that could set you up for the rest of your life. As you probably know, you've heard this before, in times of recession and depression, more millionaires and billionaires are created than any other time. So now is the time to get out of anxiety, tap into a new level of creativity, okay, create a bigger vision, become a leader, and shine a light in the darkness so that other people feel safe. So I hope you join me this Saturday morning, 9:30. I can't wait to help you create your future now.